Ang pagsasa publiko ng pagbuntot at tangkang pagharang ng China Coast Guard sa barko ng Philippine Coast Guard sa Baho de Masinloc nitong weekend, bahagi pa rin ng assertive transparency ng Administrasyong Marcos sa pagmamalupit ng China sa West Philippine Sea na hindi raw ititigil kahit may mekanismo para pag-usapan ng mga ganyang insidente.
The main objective of this current administration to make the Filipino aware of what's really happening. And then the second really was for the international community to be aware of the bullying behavior. We're going to sustain this approach. We believe that it has gained so much effect.
Pero ang maritime security expert na si Ray Powell may napansing kulang daw simula 2024 kumpara sa mga naunang regular rotation and resupply mission.
Where there were embedded reporters on every mission, that this time there were none. Again, the government, as Commodore Jay said, makes strategic decisions, but I think it would help to sort of regularize it if there were written policies that says this is how we're going to do embedded reporting.
Sagot ng Coast Guard, nilalabas naman lahat ng impormasyon kahit walang kasamang mamamahayag.